Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a budget with me for week 2 of May. I have not done one of these. Honestly, I don't know if I've ever done one, but if I have, it's been an incredibly long time. So I want to go ahead and bring that back to the channel. We are going to be budgeting for week 2 of May, and I do have all of my budget sheets inside here. So let me just go ahead and get us to the page here. Okay, so I went ahead and filled out all of my categories. My categories do tend to take up 2 pages, so I always have to print out a lot of these. And we are going to be budgeting $760. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in real quick. Okay, that should be a lot better than it was before, just so you guys can see like what I'm doing here. So we are going to start with groceries. I always like to budget $100 for groceries. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that here and actually put the amount that we're budgeting. So $760 minus the 100 equals $660. Clothing, we're going to skip. Household, we're going to skip. And then pet care, let's go ahead and do $20. Okay, and then for haircuts, I'm gonna do $5 for haircuts and $5 for beauty. Okay. Lately, we've been budgeting about $10 for each of us, so I'm just going to stick to that. And then gas, we've been doing $50. And we've actually been doing really good with $50 a week because both of us like maybe have to fill up once every 2 weeks, which is great. Vehicle maintenance, we're gonna go ahead and throw $5 in there. We are not going to be stuffing eating out. Let's do $10 for family fun this time. So how I budget is I want my money to go as far as it possibly can. So with the obvious that like groceries is high, and then actually while we're here, I'm gonna go ahead and flip to the second page just so I definitely have this in mind. But our monthly challenge, I think, is $175. Let me just triple check here. It is. So I need to actually go ahead and remove that from this $545 that's in here. So that puts us at $370. And then summer is also a big one for us. We're almost done having to do this, like this high of an amount every week. So $140. Okay, so now we have $230 left to budget for all of this. And lately we have been doing $5 for each of the boys, but I see that I just missed kids, which let's just go ahead and do 5 as well, because what I'm doing with kids is that is going to be like the buffer for their envelopes. So they're still getting a total of, you know, $15 in their category. But once we start going on these dates with them, that buffer will help. So we are down to $215 now. Back to school, let's throw 15. Okay, so now we're at $200. Sports, we'll do 30. So $170. Organizing, we'll do 10. Beverages, 10. So we're at $150 now. Nails always gets its 20. Concerts, we've got one that we really want to go to in September. It's Imagine Dragons. So we're going to go ahead and like really save for concerts. And that leaves us with $115 left to go. Gardening, let's do 5. Home decor can be 5 too. I don't really see anything coming up for home decor, but it's nice to have. Medical, we're gonna throw $20 in there. So now we've got $85. And birthday parties. We'll do 10. Birthday party's envelope is really for my kids, not for me or my husband. We typically just go out to dinner together. But yeah, so, and that next birthday party isn't until October, so we've got plenty of time to save for that. Wedding ring is gonna get $5. Planner and budgeting, I'm gonna throw 10. So now we have $60 left to work with. Mother's Day, let's do 5, which is around the corner. So this will be the last stuffing for Mother's Day and Father's Day. We cut them off at the same time just so that the same amount is in both. Okay, so now we have our last $50, and how do I want to do this? Okay, we'll do $10 for 4th of July. Halloween, we can do $5. Prime days, we'll do 10. And Christmas can be, or Christmas Eve is 5, so minus 15. We've got $20 left. So it looks like we're just gonna throw that all into Christmas. So that's awesome. Okay, so that is zeroed out. So we have budgeted that $760 for week 2. Now what I'm gonna do, and what I love about this, is it also helps you plan for what you're gonna go and pull from the bank, and just makes it really seamless and easy. So groceries is $100. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out 5 20s. And then pet care, we'll do a 20. Haircuts is 5, beauty 5. My envelope is 10, Dalton's is 10. For gas, I like to do 2 20s and 2 5s because we split that $50 between us if we need it. 1 5. Family fun, we'll do a 10. Kids are 5s. And essentially what I'm doing is just putting the number of how many bills like I want, and then we'll add them up at the bottom. Madden, yeah, 5. Back to school, a 5 and a 10. Sports can be a 10 and a 20. Organizing, 10. Beverages, 10. 20 for nails. Concerts can be a 10 and a 5. $5 for gardening. Home decor is 5. Medical is 20. Birthday party is a 10. 5 for wedding ring, and a 10 for planner and budgeting. Okay, so then I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll add it up all together. Mother's Day, we've got 5 for Father's Day, 10 for 4th of July, Halloween's 5, Prime Days 10, Christmas Eve 5, Christmas is a 20, summer, we are gonna do a $100 bill and 2 20s, and then monthly challenge is going to get 100, a 50, a 20, and a 5. Okay, right? 150, 75, yes. Okay, so now we're gonna go back through and count up or tally up all of these. So it looks like on this page, we started with 20. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 20s. And since we're here, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. We've got 2 100s and 150. And then now we need 10s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 10s. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What I also like to do is go ahead and put my 760 right here because that's the total that I'm pulling. And then I also like to just triple check myself and make sure that all of this comes out right. So 2 100s is 200, 150 is 50, 15 20s because I'm not that smart. 20 times 15 equals 300. 12 times 5 is 60, and 18 5s. 90. Love the calculator. Okay, so 90 plus 60 plus 300 plus 50 and plus 200. That's wrong. I made a little bit of an error because down here, 12 tens, I think I accidentally said fives. So 12 tens is $120 times 10 equals, yeah. So for some reason I thought those were fives, but that was wrong. So I need to add this up one more time. So we have 200 plus the 50 plus 300 plus 120 plus 90 is our $760. So we came up even. That is great. That is what we need to do. So now what I'll do on a sticky note is write down how many of each bill I need for my teller, and that it comes out to $760. They run this through at the bank. I absolutely love it. They're starting to get very familiar with me because of cash stuffing, which I love. So what I do next is I transfer all this information over to a sticky note, just how many of each bill I need, and that it totals to $760, and I hand it over to my teller, and then she will take this money out specifically as I've asked, which is great. And then next would be the cash stuffing. So this is how I budget our weekly checks or the extra income that we have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so glad that I have this done finally because it's been weighing on me. Now that brings us to the end of the video. So I just want to thank all of you so much for watching my videos, liking and commenting with me. I never get enough of it. So thank you so much. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There will be a picture of my face somewhere over here on the right of the screen. Go ahead and click it and turn on your bell notifications so that you are notified every single time I upload a new video. And a giveaway is around the corner, guys. So if you heard that, you heard it. Please subscribe. It is coming very, very soon, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.